Office in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Hendricks County, northern Johnson County, southern Marion County, northeastern Morgan County, northwestern Shelby County until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Denville, or 19 miles west of Indianapolis, and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Plainfield, Mooresville, Greenwood, Southport, Cami, Indianapolis-Intel Airport, Homecroft, New Whiteland, Bogstown. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 92 and 106. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 59 and 73. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 98 and 104. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Hendricks, Johnson, Marion, Morgan, and Shelby. This is Noel. A severe thunderstorm